southwest part of Germany, close to Stuttgart. We are a hardwood sawmill, only hardwood sawmill.
Okay.
We do all species like white oak, red oak, ash, beech, maple, cherry, all species grown in our forest.
Okay. So only the hardwood, not the softwood,
Not the softwood. We do some a little bit Douglas fir, but only high end for the European market, especially for Switzerland.
okay.
Only for Switzerland, for example, we do some really high end lumber in Douglas.
Okay. So when the Haberlein was printed at the first time, and then Haberlein, the first time operated.
Yes. We are the third generation, and the fourth generation is starting by next year.
Okay.
We are already in the company, but we giving up to them by next year.
Okay. So
we are more than 80 years old. Not exactly, but I thought around 83 years.
Okay, one generation is 25.
Yeah.
So, what products you use the sawmill, and then you talk about the very best product of Haberlein.
Yeah, we buy logs, and mainly logs in the German forest, in the government forest, and they are mainly FSC and EFC certificated. We sell logs. A part of our business is also to supply logs in beech, a little bit in red oak and ash, for example. The rest we produce in our sawmill. We have our main sawmill, and then three job work sawmills who work for us. We produce different kinds of species, but the main species is white oak. And here we have customers, for example, we have customers starting by high-end furniture factories, wine barrel producer in Europe, or trading companies in Europe, and then also furniture, flooring, whatever, all kind of products where hardwood is needed.
Okay. So not only logs, sawn timber.
Sawn timber. Sawn timber is our main business.
Oh, your main business. Okay. How much the percentage of the sawn timber?
Sawn timber is approximately 60 to 70%, and 30% is only logs.
But you in exporting the logs too?
Yeah, we export the logs too. For example, beech logs we do also for China, but also we have some factories, furniture factories, when they need a special size, for example, 50 millimeter or thinner. We cannot produce in our sawmill or try to avoid it, so the customer can buy a container of logs and he can produce in his sawmill.
Okay. So how the general dimension of the sawn timber?
Sawn timber we start by 22, 26, 32, 38, 50. Sometimes 60, 65, 75, 80, until 100.
Until 100 too.
Yeah. Yeah, we do a lot. We have, we have a lumber yard. We have approximately 20,000 cubic meter lumber in stock, and so about 16,000 cubic meters only white oak lumber.
Okay. If I buy the sawn timber from you, it's including the kini?
Yes. The service, we do normally air drying because white oak lumber we prefer to do air drying. This is the conventional way, the old way, what we learned already a long time, that if you do white oak, you should air dry in 6, 9, sometimes 50 millimeter, 1.5 years, 65 millimeter, 2.5 years, and then we put it in the kini chamber to make sure that the lumber has the right kini.
Okay. So there's no need to air dry again in the departing.
No need to air dry again because we do already the air drying in Germany.
Okay.
Yeah. This is good for the lumber.
Yeah. So, plus, you said the LSC, the FC,
Yeah.
and then now the EUDR
Yes.
certification,
Yeah.
and then it must be every shipping. So how you see the EUDR?
It's like that. What we hear from our government forest that our state has get a number,
Yes.
and this number we can transport to our customers, because then all customers know our logs coming from this area. We have most of our logs what we buy in our sawmill is from our state, Baden-Wurttemberg, and most of the volume, let me say 90%, is from this state, and 10% is from our neighbor states. I thought they do it in the same way. So EUDR for us should be not a problem. Should be not a problem.
So you guarantee that should be not a problem.
Yes, we, all is done by the European Union. We
Yeah,
are not really
yeah.
sure what at the end is coming out of them, what we have to, what kind of height or what kind of standards they
Yeah,
definitely want.
Yeah.
But we hope end of this year we know everything, and they promise us that we can work by January 2025 when EUDR starts. We can offer you this kind of.
Okay. Thank you very much. So